Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. Check your PC's USB-C port supports DisplayPort Alt Mode or Thunderbolt. That determines video capability. Inspect the monitor's input. Does it have a native USB-C or only HDMI/DP? Once done, choose a cable or adapter rated for video. Cheap charging-only cables won't work. Make sure firmware and GPU drivers are current, because drivers enable alt modes. With the right cable and ports identified, you're ready to physically connect the devices. Now you connect the cable and configure settings. If using an adapter, power off both devices first for a clean handshake, otherwise hot plugging usually works. Plug the USB-C end into the PC and the other end into the monitor or adapter, then power the monitor. In Windows or Mac OS, open display settings to choose Extend, Mirror, or Single Display, Resolution, and Refresh Rate. Choose Native Resolution for best clarity. Once done, adjust color profiles and scaling so text and UI look correct. Finish by confirming stable video and audio if supported. Verify the cable is fully seated and the monitor input is set to USB-C or the correct source. Make small adjustments to brightness and color, then test video playback to confirm smoothness. If nothing appears, try a different USB-C port, a different cable, or the monitor's other inputs. This isolates whether the cable, adapter, or port is faulty. If problems persist, update drivers and firmware, and try rebooting both devices as a last simple fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.